Well, hey there, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Nicole Mace with leveragingelearning.com. I'm an online community college instructor and an instructional designer, which means I help faculty leverage technology so they can teach online with confidence and ease. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take any PDF and turn it into a fillable PDF, also known as a digital worksheet. I'm going to show you how to do this in just a couple steps with no special software, 100% free. Let's get to it. Okay, so step number one is to go to PDFescape.com. This is a free resource and it's web-based, so no software is needed. Step number two is to upload the PDF that you want to create as a fillable PDF or a digital worksheet. You can select the Choose File button here to navigate through your computer files and find the PDF that you want, or you can just drag and drop the file into this box. Now, there are a ton of features on this website that are really helpful for annotating and kind of manipulating a PDF file. But the thing that we care about most is called the form field. This is where we can add interactive spaces on the PDF. So for example, if I select form field, I can use the drop-down menu and select from this menu to show what I want to add to the PDF. First, we're going to start with a regular text box. So I'm just going to select text and then select the button select. Next, I'm going to go in the box that I want students to be able to reply in or type in. So I'm just going to click and drag and create a box here. And here's the text box. I can even add formatting to this text box. So using the drop-down menus at the top, I can change the font, I can change the size of the font, and something I really love to do is to change the color of the text so I can easily see that this is their reply to me. So you can click anywhere and continue to add those text boxes. Another great feature is you can right-click on a text box and select duplicate in order to create the same exact size and formatting and add it to the next space. I want to show you one other option is to use that drop-down menu and select checkboxes. Checkboxes are always something really hard to add to something like a Word document, but here they make it really easy. So if I select the checkbox, I can then click anywhere and create a checkbox for students to click into. All right, so let's say I have all the text boxes I want and any other annotations I want to add to this PDF, and I'm ready to download it so I can add it to my learning management system. All I need to do is select this green button here to download this fillable PDF to my desktop. And that's it. Now you have a digital worksheet to add into your online class for students to fill in and submit to you for any assignment. I hope this really helps you transition from the classroom to Canvas. For more videos and tips and tricks like this one, head over to leveragingelearning.com, where I support college faculty take their teacher magic and put it online.